Number 23, find the exact values for x and y. It gives us a system of equations, and it's set up in general standard form. Well, not standard form, but like general form. So we have the x's over the x's and the y's over the y's. So this looks like an elimination problem. So in order to eliminate a variable, we need the coefficients of one of our variables to be the same number, but opposite signs. That way we can just add them together. Like I guess we could subtract, but it's easier if we do it this way. So the first thing that sticks out to me is that if I multiply 7 times 7, it'll be a positive 49, and that'll cancel out with the negative 49. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this first equation, I'm going to multiply everything in it by 7, and then rewrite this. So that would be 14x plus 49y equals 7 times 14 is 98. And then the second equation remains unchanged. Then we are going to add these together, straight down. 14x plus 16x equals 30x. We cancel out our y values. 98 plus 4 is 102. So we divide both sides by 30. Might as well show this. Don't want anyone getting lost. We find that x is equal to 102 over 30, which is a fraction. 30 does not go in evenly, but it will reduce to 17 over 5 because you can divide the top and the bottom by 6. So this is our value of x. Now we have to go back and find the value of y. We do that by plugging this into one of our original equations, and I always just choose the one that looks easiest. The top equation has lower numbers, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to plug it in. This will be 2 times x. X is 17 over 5. Plus 7y equals 14. If I multiply 2, which is just 2 over 1, times 17 fifths, I get 34 fifths plus 7y equals 14. So I'm just going to subtract 34 fifths on both sides. 7y equals, now 14, in order for me to subtract these, I need a common denominator. So I need the bottom of this 14, which is currently a 1. I need this to be a 5. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 5. 5 times 14 is 70. So 70 over 5, that's 14 over 1, minus 34 fifths equals, well, and we'll do that in the next step. Okay, so let me change our color here. 70 minus 34 is 36. So 7y equals 36 fifths. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 7. When I divide by 7, that's the same as multiplying by 1/7, multiply by the reciprocal. So I find that my y value, which I'll go ahead and put over here, is going to be 36 times 1, which is 36, over 5 times 7, which is 35. And that does not reduce. So I got my x value and my y value, and I am done. The exact values for x and y.